Welcome guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how easy you can set up different wallpapers for your dual monitors on the Windows 11. Okay, so at the first we have to use our mouse, click on the empty place on your screen with the right mouse button and then go for the display settings. We have to simply switch to the personalization. And at the first we can go for the themes, for example, and right here you can pick your favorite theme. For example, I would like to set this one, so click with the right mouse button and as you can see there's notification that we get here 4 images. When you try to take a look on the left one, it's also, so we can just take a look how many images you can find in each theme. And for example right here in the color explosion we got 15, so let's for example stay with this one, select this one with the left mouse button. Okay, and right now let's go back for the personalization for one more time, and then we have to go for the background right here. So right now all we have to do, we have to switch from the slideshow in this place to the picture. Let me just zoom in to show you how it looks. Yeah, we have to pick this option, and as you can see when you make it, we'll find few different images. And for example, I would like to set this one for my first monitor, and all I have to do, just click with the right mouse button and pick to set it, for example, for the monitor 1. And if you want to take this picture for your second monitor, just click with the right mouse button and select for the monitor 2. And right now when you go back for your screen, as you can see, my wallpaper is still right here, but on the second one, on the second monitor, this wallpaper has changed. So right now I'm gonna switch wallpaper only for this monitor. So for example, let's pick this one. So as you can see, that's how easy we can make it. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.